Hi, my name's Norm Stenzel. I'm the sales manager here at TCS. With all the hype you've been hearing about the new TCS WOWSound decoder, I thought it'd be nice to take a look at it, or better yet, let's take a listen at all the new sounds and features that are available. Let's wander over and take a look at the locomotive. It should be noted that all the locomotive sounds that you're hearing in this video are coming from a speaker and a WOWSound decoder in the tender of the locomotive. Let's start by taking a listen to the bell. We have over 15 different bells in the first release of the decoder. In fact, there are so many you can play a little tune.
Use buttons 5 and 6 to scroll through the sounds of the selected type. Use button.
Pretty, isn't it? Play around with your own WOWSound and see what you come up with. Let's move on to the air pump and see how that sounds. With 5 air pumps in the first release, including single stage, double stage, and cross compound, you're sure to find a pump right for your locomotive. Any video of a WOWSound decoder wouldn't be complete without listening to a few whistles. Let's see how they sound. Now to switch the whistles, we use the rotate whistle feature, which is controlled by button 9 by default.
Whistle changed. Whistle changed. Whistle changed. Whistle changed. Whistle changed. Whistle changed.
In the first release, there's over 22 whistles, each with their own personality, and each recorded in person by TCS. Last but not least, a steam locomotive isn't complete without cylinder cocks. Let's see how the locomotive sounds when moving from a standstill. Quite an earful, wasn't it? Thanks for watching. If you have any additional questions about our WOWSound decoder, feel free to contact me at norm@tcsdcc.com or go to our website at tcsdcc.com and sign up for our newsletter to get additional information on our new WOWSound decoder. Thanks for watching.